Good morning, guys. It is July 12th on a Wednesday, and this morning I've got to hook up the water tank and I go do some let's see, watering. So we got the blocks right there, guys, for Thursday's project. Went to pick up some blocks yesterday. So, and then today, after I get done watering, we are gonna continue on our project. Yeah. It's a little bit about it's about 7 a.m. this morning. The crew usually comes in at 8 a.m. So I'm gonna see if I can get this watering done before. That's a 100-gallon tank. We use about 100 gallons for our watering. So. Alright, so got done watering plants, and now we are gonna head out to the project. Alright, let's head out, Nick. Think we got everything, huh?
Yeah, I grabbed some extra wood.
Okay. Alright, guys, it's about a little bit after 3 p.m. and we've been busy. Nick and I have been busy putting in these fences, and we are getting there. What we are using is, check this out, guys. It is awesome, I think. Right here, I talked about it yesterday on the vlog, but really didn't show you guys how we did it. It's the OZ post. It eliminates digging and eliminates cement. And so it just goes, yeah, see that one right there. It's in, we just put it in, pound it down. Goes in pretty good, except some parts by the trees it's hard to go in. And yeah, you either can leave this up like that, this part here flush, or you can put it down halfway if you wanted to. But it really helps when a person does go to mow. You're not cutting into the post. So, yeah, we were getting there. So we had to step down just because of the slope coming down, going there, and then it's eventually wrapping around the whole backyard. So yeah, we haven't vlogged much because we've been busy installing these fans. Alright, guys, we're gonna show you how this works. So alright, guys, so here it goes. We got it where we want it. Pound it in a little bit, get it started, and then we got to put where's our post level thing. We can find it. Where the heck could it go? Alright, so we're gonna put this on to level it. Okay, we'll strap that on. I gotta wrap that neck on. Okay. So we'll wrap that around. Okay. And yeah, we don't have the right tool to put them in, but we gotta
your 2x4 will get stuck.
Yeah. So we use just a 2x4, two of them screwed together. And now, let's see, let's get it. So, okay. Nick will pound it in.
Alright.
Okay. Since we can't get the Bobcat in here, we're gonna have to manually hit these in. Yeah, that back in there. Okay, Nick will get that in. Look at how easy that goes in, guys. Like butter. Okay, and then now we'll adjust. We made a deal here so that we can, because when you hit them, they tend to get out of line. So then you straighten back out with that, and then like this you can twist back and forth. So you straighten. Okay. And hit it again.
Whoop. Using my tool.
Don't break the tool. Okay, so just pound that in again. Oh, there we go. Alright. So we're pretty good, yeah?
Yeah, I like it.
Keeps going. Look at that. This will save you guys time of digging and cement. Don't need to wait for setup. So, and it's solid when we put. Okay, almost in.
Yeah.
So we got about 6 inches to go. All right. So we'll pound it in some more, guys. There you go. A couple more inches. Yeah, a couple more until we're flush to the ground. There we go. We're good, guys. Look at that. It eliminates all the digging, and it's solid. Not gonna move. All right, guys. Usually we use the skid to put this in because it's a little bit tight. But since we can't get in here with the skid, we're gonna have to get it because of the treated lumber. It's just there you go.
That was a nice strike. Yep. I got meat. Meat at the bottom.
Okay. Right there, guys. That's in. See? Look at that. Screws in. That way. Okay, there we go. And, oh, dude, we are gonna miss it. Awesome. So yeah, that took us about maybe 5 minutes to put that in. And we didn't even have to put concrete in there or dig it, and it's solid. So it's an awesome thing. And if you mess up, you can always move them. Yeah.
We don't mess up.
We don't mess up though. Yeah, right. Lay out all the posts first.
Yeah. This customer wants to see progress. I like it like that.
Okay. Oh yeah, we're good there.
Just want to make sure I hit. Yeah.
There you go, guys. That panel installed right there. Getting her in. Alright, guys, we are done for the day. We've got one whole side, or close to one side done. And here's what we got so far. Those are nice, guys. The OZ post. Man. So, yeah, those are nice. So this Bobcat, look at this, you guys. It's got sap all over. Look at that. It is all sticky.
Probably hasn't had a bath in a while, has it?
I think it's from that tree right there. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna cover it up, because I know by the time we come back next week, this thing is gonna be. It is gonna be sticky all over. So we're gonna cover it up. sticky, man.
I would say you might, I don't even need any. No need cruiser no more.
Alright, wrap this bobcat. It's not so bad on the glass part, that's what's nasty.
You see this?
What happened?
The controller's like coming out of the...
Oh, what the heck?
I noticed
It
that.
should.
I noticed that yesterday. I usually always hang on to the bottoms.
Jeez. Alright guys, we are done for today. It's been a long day. And we've got mowing to do tomorrow. And finishing up a landscaping project. So yeah.